Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at some of the biggest news surrounding Stellar Lumens. We're also going to be taking a look at price analysis to see its future steps. So if you guys take any value from this video or looking for up-to-date crypto news, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button or share the video for more as it really helps the algorithm. If you are a big fan of XLM, let's even get this video over 400 likes. With that, let's jump straight into the video. Before we jump into the latest updates surrounding Stellar Lumens, let's take a quick look at how the market is performing. As you can see, things are looking much better for this crypto space. We have been talking about on this channel Bitcoin breaking above that $39,000 level and then eventually breaking above that $43,000 level. At the moment we are at 40k and things are looking very positive for this crypto space. Altcoins across the board are slowly going back in the green, but over the next couple of weeks this crypto market is going to show its true potential. Patience is very key in this crypto space, and without it you will struggle. With that, let's jump straight into the first piece of news. And this article says short-term volatility shouldn't stop you from buying Stellar Lumens. Stellar Lumens is making headlines as a crypto that continues to perform well in the long run. Despite the recent volatility in the price of XLM, the altcoin is up over 150% year to date. By comparison, Bitcoin and Ethereum have returned about 25% and 240% since January, respectively. XLM started the year around 13 cents and then soared to a 52-week high of 79 cents in May, before plunging down to a low of 28 cents during the crypto crash. Yet it has since gained momentum and is currently hovering above 33 cents. The crypto was launched in 2015 by the co-founder of Ripple as an alternative to XRP, which has a market cap standing at $40 billion. It has stayed in the shadow of Ripple for some years, but now it has the potential to get ahead given the lawsuit against Ripple. XLM offers solid benefits to its users who can easily convert any currency on the Stellar Lumens platform. Regardless of the size of the given payment, each transaction costs a very small amount and usually takes only a few seconds. The consensus protocol relies on authentication of transactions executed through a set of nodes. The authentication cycle is short and rapid, meaning Stellar Lumens can keep its costs low and its carbon footprint to a minimum. And it says down here, partnering with Stellar Lumens, global financial transactions are skyrocketing. According to PayPal, robust global e-commerce levels means that more than $300 billion a year are spent across borders. Meanwhile, the Stellar Development Foundation has initiated a large number of partners with prominent businesses, such as IBM and Franklin Resources. New associations also include the web wallet Lunashine, tokenized precious metal issuer Mintex, Nigerian crypto gateway Cowrie, an investment bank, and an asset custodian BitGo. Finally, Stellar Lumens is the first global blockchain product recognized as Sharia certified. It can soon be used as a transaction network in Sharia compliant financial applications. If the platform can continue to develop new partnerships, the crypto is poised to make a mark in the financial world and deliver generous returns in the long run. Grayscale, the world's largest crypto asset management firm, has revealed that it holds 5.5 million Stellar Lumens. It makes a powerful statement about the crypto's long-term potential. Meanwhile, the supply of the new Stellar Lumens added to the blockchain stopped in 2019. The demand will likely keep growing while the supply stays the same, similar to Bitcoin's extremely gradual increase in supply. But for now, the price of XLM depends greatly on how the broader crypto market performs. Investors who can tolerate short-term volatility should consider buying these dips as a long-term investment. So overall, over the past couple months, things have been pretty rocky for majority of crypto holders. Now there is light at the end of the tunnel. We still have a few more levels to test before we are out of the clear, but for now, things are looking very strong for the crypto space. We just needed a bit of cooling off period before we take the next leg up, and now we are going to be seeing some very nice gains over the next few months. But I want to know down below, at what price did you first get into Stellar? This is the next article that I want to show you before we take a look at our price analysis, and this article says SatoshiPay receives R&D grant from Stellar for Pendulum blockchain. We are excited to announce that we have received a research and development grant from the Stellar Development Foundation to start development of the Pendulum network, a new second layer blockchain that connects Stellar to the wider DeFi ecosystem by adding smart contract support and bridges to Ethereum and Polkadot. In order to bring more complex features to the Stellar network without sacrificing the network's efficiency, SatoshiPay proposes Pendulum, a suite of open decentralized protocols on which smart contracts can be developed and executed. The Pendulum chain acts as a second layer on top of Stellar, with additional bridges to the two most popular smart contract platforms, Ethereum and Polkadot. Justin Rice, VP of Ecosystem at Stellar Development Foundation, said SatoshiPay has proven track record as a key Stellar network and ecosystem participant, and we couldn't be more excited that we are exploring an opportunity to connect Stellar to the thriving DeFi ecosystem, with its unique tools for compliant connections to traditional banking networks, the Stellar network is well positioned to connect traditional finance with the innovative DeFi space. Pendulum has the potential to build bridges that increases Stellar's interoperability with other networks, which could enable new use cases and help unlock the world's economic potential by making money more fluid, markets more open, and people more empowered. The Stellar Development Foundation has granted SatoshiPay initial funding to kickstart the project and develop a proof of concept implementation of Pendulum. After completing the initial proof of concept, Pendulum will be further developed into a full-fledged decentralized layer 2 blockchain that will be accessible for everyone. So overall, there is still so much more to look forward to in this crypto space. To finish off today's video, we are going to be taking a look at a quick little price analysis, and if I show you this chart here, as you can see, we ended up topping around the levels of 79 cents, and since then the whole market took a big hit and we have been consolidating around the 30 cents mark. Bitcoin has broken the key level of $39,000 and we just have to break the $43,000 so we can push higher and higher. So far, altcoins are responding nicely as well, and we are seeing a nice turnaround with Stellar. Stellar ended up bottoming around 25 cents, which is a really good buying opportunity in my opinion, considering its long-term potential. As you can see at the moment, we have got to break this level here, which is 38 cents, and once we break that 38 cents level, we can push to the levels of 42 cents, and once we break that level, we can push higher and higher to 48 cents and go possibly to its all-time high. Once we see those levels hit, then we will see the full motion of the bull run. But for now, if you are looking for an accumulation phase, this is not too late in my opinion to buy, considering the market looks like it is at the end of the tunnel. But for now, it does look like these opportunities here are good buying opportunities. The worst for Stellar was 25 cents and we only saw that once, so I don't think we will see the sort of prices again. But for now, we are consolidating around the 33 cents mark, waiting for a big move up. When we see that next big move from Bitcoin, altcoins are literally going to explode. If we take a look at the start of the year and measure the growth that it has done, as you can see, XLM from the start of the year is still up over 150%, which is absolutely incredible. As you can see, you will not see this in any other market in a 6-month period, purely because this crypto market is abnormal, and if you simply compare it to any other market, you need to see abnormal corrections for this crypto market to stay healthy, because if we didn't, then you would simply fall and fail. If we measure from the top, as you can see, we were still up over 500%, which again is why a lot of people are mistaken when they see 40 to 80% corrections in a crypto market. This is abnormal gains. When you see 4 to 5,000% gains in literally the space of 6 months, you have to see a big correction or else things are going to get pretty hot. Over the past couple months, we have been consolidating sideways, and this in my opinion has been a good thing because it means that a lot of people have been able to scoop up some very cheap prices. A lot of people have already left this crypto space purely because they were looking to get rich quick, and unfortunately that is not how this market works. Since the start of this channel, I have always tried to prepare you guys for these big drops. A lot of people don't take any notice because they assume that they see 6 to 8 big green candles, and that is the ride to the moon. Crypto does not work like that, and you need to see these big corrections. I personally think over the next 6 months we're going to be seeing some incredible price action coming into this crypto space, as you have already started seeing billionaires and billion-dollar companies coming in at a very fast rate. One thing we have to bear in mind and realise is that 2022 could be a very disastrous year for the crypto market, for the stock market, for the housing market, and pretty much everything in general, purely because what we are seeing today is the exact same things that we saw in 2007 and 2008. That is why crypto is going to take over next year, is effectively to stop that happen. In 2022, what we will see in my opinion is a transition, or at least the start of the transition in going into that crypto space, because today what you are seeing by banks, central banks, businesses at a very fast rate, you are seeing them go to cryptocurrency at a very high level. So what I do think will happen with this crypto space is Bitcoin will go above the levels of $75,000, possibly touching the levels of $100,000, and then I personally think we will see a 2-year cooling off period, the same as the past 4-year cycle and the past and the past and the past. That is what we have to bear in mind, and that is why data is incredibly key in this space. Remember guys, be patient with the market and respect the dips, be greedy when others are fearful, and you will be a winner in this space. Just quickly, only 20% of you that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you are new around here or regular, hit the subscribe button as it is free and you can always unsubscribe later if you do not enjoy my content. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely everything I've got for you in today's video. If you did take any value from this video, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more, as it really helps the algorithm. We also have the Crypto Noobs Patreon, where if you guys are looking for one-to-one calls with me personally, don't forget to check it out in the link in the description down below. With that, I've been Crypto Noobs, thank you for watching, hopefully I'll see you in my next video, peace.